Hey, what's going on? It's Nick LS, and today I feel like is a good time to share with you some channel updates. So the first update is more so an idea that I've been thinking about for some time here, and please, I want to know your feedback on this. Please leave a comment down below if you think this is a good idea or not, but here it is. I am considering changing my name on YouTube. Currently it is Nick LS, and that stands for Nick Long Snapper. I was a long snapper in college, so that has always been kind of just my username I've had for everything, so that was naturally my YouTube username. And plus it kind of works because my actual name is Nicholas, so if I just have Nick and then LS, it kind of says Nicholas. So that was kind of my ideology behind that. But I am considering changing my name to, drum roll please, Ninja Nick. And I think that flows a whole lot better. I think it's a little more catchy. And the main reason why is because that is actually my TikTok username. Yes, this is the first time I am talking about my TikTok. I do have a page, and my TikTok page is doing quite a bit better than my YouTube. I'm currently at 25,000 followers over on that platform, and I have millions of views and lots more engagement. A lot of it is similar content that I post on YouTube, just in kind of a shorter format. A lot of the shorts that I post on YouTube are the same TikTok videos, except TikTok has this new program where it's the creativity program, where you have to create videos over a minute long. So there is a lot of original content on my TikTok page. It's going to be vertical format, and over a minute you can't post a YouTube short, so that is exclusive to TikTok. So please go ahead and check me out on TikTok. So I think changing it on YouTube to have both of my sites the same could be a good move. Please let me know your thoughts on that. Again, my YouTube name would be Ninja Nick. Now that we talked about that idea, now we can start to roll into more of the updates. So the first update is, it is October now, about middle of October. Unfortunately in Wisconsin, the motorcycles go away in the winter. So that means I have about, and for sure through the end of this month, we'll see how far into November we can get. But it will get cold and it will start to snow. So the motorcycle is going to be out of commission, all winterized and stuff, basically through April. So a lot of the videos are going to start to slow down on my channel. One thing that is not going to change is Motovlog Friday. That is something that I will continue to do. So there will be new videos every week, just less. I do have rides that are being posted in the future. That was because I knew throughout the riding season that I was going to have so long. So I believe I will have 4 videos a week, my normal Monday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, at least through the end of November. So we will have that for about another month and a half, and then like I said, every Friday will be the moto vlog. Which now leads me to my next sort of question is, what content do you want to see? I have about a good 3-ish weeks to make new content while riding. So if you have anything that you would like to see, please leave a comment down below. I want to know, so that way I can get that video recorded. So those are the main updates, and then kind of going forward, looking to the future as far as next riding season, I just want to fill you in on that. I do not intend on getting a new bike at least for next riding season unless something crazy happens and I have the opportunity to buy a bigger bike. I love my 400. I am not ready to move on from it quite yet. I feel confident enough to get a bigger bike and be able to ride confidently on it. But like I said, I just have a lot of love for my 400, and I still haven't used it to its full potential. As far as like being able to accelerate as fast as I can and hitting a top speed. So there's still a lot more I can do with the 400. I'm still thinking of a lot more ideas for next riding season. Some things I'm thinking about are just different camera angles. I'm thinking about possibly getting a chin mount for my helmet. I do have the GoPro mount that I can stick on top of my helmet. I try to use that, but I'm not a huge fan of it just because it doesn't show a lot of what I want you to see. Because to see the road and my kind of motorcycle cockpit, I mean, it just, I don't know. I just like the way it looks best, the way I have it with the chest mount. But I'm thinking if it's on the chin, it's kind of a mix in between the two, and you get to see where my head is turning. So that is something I'm going to be looking into for next riding season. And please, if you have any other ideas or suggestions for next riding season as well, please leave those in the comments down below. I love reading the comments. I look at them all the time, and they help make better content. Such as the wind noise. I believe when I first started my channel, I had a lot of wind noise, and someone had said, oh, get like a wind shield, for like a wind protector for your GoPro. And I did. I took that advice, and I bought it, and I have used it ever since. And I feel like it has made the audio of the videos so much better. So that's just one little piece. So again, if you have anything you'd like to see for next riding season, go ahead and drop that down below. That will wrap up all of my ideas / updates for this channel. I just want to say thank you so much. It has been a blessing creating this channel and posting videos. I have loved every minute of it. I love everybody here. This is such a positive environment, and I learn from you and you get to learn from me, and it's just a great time. So again, I just want to say thank you to all of you who watch, and it's just much appreciated. I am just shocked how fast this channel grew, because I posted my first video about 6 months ago now, and to be as far as we are is impressive. I want to continue to grow the family and get more people watching content and into motorcycles. So that being said, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. Join the Ninja family. Join the Ninja 400 family, the motorcycle family. It's all a community here. I love it. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.